Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change location on your YouTube channel. Let's jump on YouTube. Let me show you how easy it is. You want to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile icon. Then you want to head to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. When you're at settings, you want to click general. And then you want to scroll down and you want to find the section that is called location. You want to click on location, and here you can pick your country. Very simple, very easy. And this is very important considering that if you're looking for a particular type of content, if you change your location, the chances are you're going to get more relevant content to the location that you're interested in. For example, if you're hyped or interested about, let's say, United Kingdom, but you're not getting content from United Kingdom, right? You're getting very random content from YouTube based on your country, original country, right? When you change the location, the likelihood of getting more and more content in relation to the country that you change the location to is very, very high. So this is good, considering that then we will spend more time on the platform. This is good for YouTube as well, because you will have more engaging content, more interested to spending more time, and the content will be more relevant and the ads will be more relevant. But this is how essentially you change the location of your YouTube channel. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.